welcome back to my channel. I was not able to post yesterday. I got caught up with work and other things, so today is gonna be day 3 of 12 days of Christmas, and I don't know if I'm gonna go up to December 25th now since I missed yesterday. It all just depends how things end up rolling down, but as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be organizing, cleaning out, or decorating my car for Christmas. I have actually never done this and I'm so excited to try it. I usually see cars during these times with lights and all of that cool stuff. To me, I think it's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested watching how my car ends up looking, then keep on watching. If you guys are new here, hi, my name's Eileen. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications bell on. Alright guys, let's get started.
This is how my car looks right now. Some water bottles, got that mess. I don't have a big mess here in the front. It's more in the back. I know, don't judge me. And yeah, so it's not that bad.
So I have these lights. I honestly had these for like 2 years and I've never used them, so I'm gonna use these. And I also have these like LED lights. These are like colorful, so I think I'm gonna put these. I just don't know how I'm gonna attach them to the top. And I don't think we get tickets, right? We have them and we're driving. Let's hope not, because yeah. So let's try to put these on. Oh, and I also bought Santa hats. These are so cute. So these are like, this one's like gold and silver. And I bought this one. This one's really cute. I got the green with red. I got 2 of those. So I'm gonna put one red and one green. And then I got another one of these, so I'm gonna put the one gold and one silver. But I noticed that I only have 4. I'm gonna put them here, and I bought 5, so I might return one, or just use it for Christmas, right? So I don't know. Should I put this one, or should I save this one for me for Christmas? It's pretty cute, right? I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the sparkly ones so they can all be like the same. So I'm gonna put these. like I am done. But it's still not dark, so I don't know if I should. Oh, let me close the doors. Maybe it'll be dark in here, so we can see how it lights up. Okay, it is a bit darker, but I don't know. Well, let's just see how it looks. Okay, let me do it at the same time.
1, 2. Oh my god, it looks so cool! Ooh, this is so pretty! So the big ones, these are like fading out and coming back up. They have different options. So it has that fade option, it has the blinking option, and then it has the solid option. But oh my god, it looks so cool. Imagine when it's dark, like legit dark. I know I'm a bit weird. I don't know, I just like little things like this.
Alright guys, as you can tell, this video was so successful. I love how everything turned out, the lights. I'm just scared that the tape won't hold, but cross our fingers that it will. I had a lot of fun doing this. The lights, this is just crazy. Look how it looks from behind. It looks so crazy, like looking on the rear mirror. Oh my god, it looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I sure did. I didn't think it was gonna turn out like this, but I am loving it, to be honest. Let's hope I don't get a ticket. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's video. And like always, if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys want to see for 12 Days of Christmas, I cannot speak. If you guys have anything that you guys want to watch for 12 Days of Christmas, let me know in the comments below. I definitely want to try different things. I have a list, but any ideas are welcome, like always. And I hope to see you guys on my next video, which hopefully will be tomorrow. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications on the little bell so you guys can get notified every single time that I upload a video. And yeah, so oh my god, I'm just loving it. Like, it puts me in such a good mood. Oh my god, it's so happy. All right guys, have a good day. Merry Christmas. See you guys on my next video. Oh my god, I'm so happy. All right guys, ciao.